Yo, this is Carrie Peck, and yeah, this is the song that I be singing right now because of the weather that's going on. Maybe if I get enough people to help me sing this song, the weather will be better. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. So here it goes. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Stop raining on my parade. Rain, rain, go away. Stop raining on my parade. Alright, that's it. Peace out. Sing along. Maybe the weather will get better. Back to what it was last week.